There's a few shortcuts to layers that I don't feel are as important to learn. So you'll get the hang of the layer properties manager and the drop down list capabilities of layer, but down here there's two rows of icons of shortcuts for layers. For example, if you want to isolate a layer, say I only want to see the foundation layer and nothing else, that's simply done by clicking on this isolate layer icon, selecting the layer you want to isolate, hit enter. You want to see everything back again, simply click on the thaw or unisolate. Will restore everything back the way it was. You can freeze an individual layer by clicking on the freeze icon for a single layer. Select, say, the furniture, maybe the floor covering. They're frozen. We can get them back quickly with the thaw all layers icon. You can lock and unlock layers simply by clicking on an icon and then clicking on an object. This is kind of handy if you have a long list of layers and you don't care to go down the list to select a specific layer. You can just say, hey, whatever I select, make its layer current by clicking on this Make Current icon. I'll click on the furniture and instantly the furniture layer is current, so I can draw green lines for more furniture. I'll leave the rest of them up to you. Off, on and off, not sure why they got that. I don't recommend on off. Match layer, probably the same as selecting and using the drop down list I showed in an earlier video. That's about it.